beautiful people, welcome back to your girl's channel. So for today's video, guys, I'll be doing a review on this kinky curly V-part wig that I received from UNiceHair. And this is my first time hearing about this company. When they reached out to me, I had to do some research, look at other girls' YouTube channels, and I love what I seen. Their hair looks really good. I love the results when I seen girls do their wig reviews, and I'm like, okay, I can't wait to try this out. So once I did my research and I received the hair, I was really impressed. So I received this cute little pink drawstring bag from them and this red box. And in the pink drawstring bag, they provide you with a robe. And I love robes, y'all, especially when I'm getting dressed and just have something light over me because it gets hot. So, and also in the red box, as you see here, it comes with a little pink bag. And in that pink bag, it has a wig cap, it has clips, it has eyelashes. So you don't have to go to the store and get all the other essentials. You got it right there when you're doing your hair. And then after that, as you can see, it has the wig itself. It doesn't say how many inches or the density of the hair, but it looks like it's around 20 inches, and the density looks about 150. I'm not sure. She didn't really give me too much details, but it did look really nice, and it was a little lengthy. So as you can see, there's a few clips at the top, a few clips at the bottom, and then there's a clip where you make sure it's secure on the sides as well. So I'm gonna get started with that, guys. So make sure you're staying tuned. And before you continue watching this video, guys, what you're supposed to do, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Okay, guys, so as you can see, my hair is already prepped. I have a ponytail going on, and then I have my middle part, and I have these little flat twists going on the side. So when I do clip this part right here, it will be easier to kind of stick on versus if it's like slick down right here. I mean, I've seen girls do it, but I just want a little bit more security right here. So I was going to wash the hair as well, especially when I do get hair like this. I always wash it, but I'm on a time crunch, so I didn't wash it, but it looks pretty good. Like the curls are there, so I didn't really feel like I had to wash it too much. But it does have like a distinct smell, like it has been in a package, so I did want to wash it, but like I said, I'm on a time crunch, so here you go. So this is pretty simple. The clips are here, the clips are in the back, like I said, right here. So I don't really think there's much that I need to do but put it on, right? Okay, everything is unclipped. So okay, moment of truth. I hope I didn't leave a lot of leave out. Okay, let's see. And that's why I wanted this part right here, because it's so easy to just clip on right here. Very easy. Just clip, clip, clip. Okay. And then I'm just kind of clip it on the sides to make sure it's secure. That clip that you seen that was on the sides, the one that just goes inside the hair, like so. And then it has that like somewhat of a drawstring in the back. I think I have a little head, so it's like, you know, but I'm about to kind of doctor it up a little bit, how I usually do it, but it looks good so far. So now that the wig is secure, I did want to show you how well the hair falls on me. So this is how long the hair is in the front, and this is how long the hair is in the back. So you see how tight these curls are? I'm in love, and I know for a fact my hair will blend very well with this wig. Okay, y'all see me with these scissors. I'm cutting the ends because the ends are looking straggly and they gotta go. Usually what I would do is wash the hair, soak it in some conditioner, and then boom, it's brand new. But of course, if the hair is sitting in a package for so long, it is gonna have some little straggly ends. So the hair is still beautiful, just cutting them off, snip, 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 and do what I gotta do. And then boom, the hair is how I want it. It's time to blend, y'all. And when I say blend, it's time to blend my natural hair with this kinky curly hair. And as you can see, I'm currently taking out the pieces that I had twisted, and I do that just to leave it out the way. So as I'm taking it out, I see that it's a good match, but I want to make sure it's a perfect match. So what I do is when I do have a kinky curly hair or curly clip-ins, I do like to put my hair in twists to make sure that my hair is blending with the clip-ins or like this V-part wig that I have in my hair. So I'll just treat this whole process as if I was doing a twist out on my natural hair. So since I have this hair in my head, I'm going to blend it together with twists. And I love doing this because once I do that, it just comes out perfectly. And you can even tell where my hair starts, where the kinky curly hair begins. Like it just looks perfectly together. So you'll see exactly what I'm doing as this video continues. Okay guys, so I just want you to see how well my hair is like blending with the actual V-part wig. It's blending really good. At first I was a little skeptical because usually, well, when I did pull it out, the hair was a little bit tight with the curls, but with the mousse added, it looks really good. Okay, y'all, so peep, I got the rope on from UNiceHair that was sent to me in the package. But I'm about to get started. So as you can see, I have all of my hair in these twists. And I just noticed that the ends of the hair was a little dry and a little raggedy. I did kind of cut it and snip it a little bit, but I didn't want to put it in these twists so it can marinate in those products. I usually do that. So I'm about to take these out now and let's get started to see how it looks. So I'm basically about to take them out like how I would do if it was my natural hair. Just slowly take them out. I apply some oils on my palms, on my fingertips. I said my palms. So yeah, I like that. In the back, I did like bigger twists because I didn't really care for it to be super small. I just wanted it to have a little crimp curl to it with the twist. And you see how that's looking? That looks good. Okay guys, so as you've seen in that last clip, I took out all of the twists out of my hair just to create this. And you don't have to copy the same process that I did with twisting it because the hair actually is really good. The texture is really good. But I like to do an extra step with twisting to make sure that my hair is blending with this hair. But it did a good job with blending it on its own. Like, I mean, my hair looks a little bit frizzy because I've been out and stuff like that. But it looks really good. I like it. And it's a V-part kinky curly wig, as I mentioned. And I will leave the company's name, UNiceHair, in my description below. Shout out to them. Thank you so much for sending me this hair. It is so beautiful. I'm giving my honest opinion. I know that some people are like, oh, they send you the hair, so you're just going to say whatever. But no, I really like this hair. I had a lot of compliments on this hair, even from my mom, and she does not like weave. So yeah. So shout out to UNiceHair. Like I said, if you do want this hair, I'm not sure. I think it's 22 inches. Like I said, she did not do a disclaimer and say how many inches it was or the density, but I'll show you guys and see how it comes to me. And I'm 5'1", so it comes down to here on me. So yeah, that kind of gives you an idea how it looks. This is the hair. And actually, I slept with this hair overnight and it did not give me problems at all. And I hate clips in my hair. So just to let you know. So, final result of my hair, y'all. Looks really good. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel.